So my number one nude color is by Faces Canada and the shade name is called Plum. Funny enough, the name is Plum for this one, and I've bought 3 bottles of this already. Every time it gets over, I get a new one. The application of this one is very smooth on the nails. The first coat takes around 30 seconds to dry down completely, and after that you can apply second and third coat of this. Yes, you need at least 2 coat of this color to get that opaque shade. This is very beautiful color, a nude color that can go with every outfit possible. So this is like my go-to shade if I'm packing and I know that I need to carry one nail color. This is something that I will carry because this will suit every outfit possible. Next color is called Topit All This is by Sugar Cosmetics from their classic collection. The formula of this entire range is pretty good. They can last on your nails for up to a week and they dry down very quickly and easy to apply. These colors are okay. This color particularly has a hint of grey to it, which I really like, and this is something which I've been wearing for the past 2 months. Next up, I have my nail color but better. This is from the Nudes collection by Essence. The shade is called I'm Lost in You. The formula of this one is pretty nice. It dries down pretty quickly and so far the best formula of nail color that I have tried. Just look at it. It looks very pretty on the nails and nobody will even notice that you have nail color on your nails. It's just that your nails look well put together, well manicured and well polished. Pastel nudes are also my favorite. They can make you look so put together without making you look very dramatic and without drawing so much attention to the nails, but they do add a pop of color to your nails. And this one is by Sugar from their classic collection again. The shade that I am wearing is Burn Your Beiges. You can get away with 1 coat of this color because this dries down pretty quickly. The color is very opaque, but for me, I love to wear 2 coats of any nail color. The last nail color is by Faces Canada. If you have been following my channel for the longest, then you knew it, this one is coming. The shade is called Floral Dream. I've included single coat and double coat for this one just so that you can compare. And yes, I do have a backup for this one particularly. The shade is Pastel Lilac color which has a hint of pink to it. So this is like a perfect everyday pinky nude color for me. So this was my top 5 nude nail paint and this was highly requested video. So thank you so much whoever requested for this. I will provide links for everything in the description box. And if a color goes out of stock, check out the range that I've mentioned in the video. So you will find something for yourself definitely. And if a particular color that you're looking for is not available online, check out local stores because these brands are also available on local stores. On that note, I think I should go now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon, like, comment, share, all this good stuff. I'll see you next time. Bye.